I'm really excited to be back here tonight, kind of go through with you really the most important part of your investing journey, and that is selecting the right time frame. Now, we're going to touch on not just the concept of time frames, but we're also going to touch on the very important concept of catalysts. What are catalysts that will move stock prices that kind of dramatically go up or dramatically go down? We're going to look at catalysts and kind of put these catalysts right smack within the timeline, which is what we call the time frame. So, without further ado, I want to present to you 8 of the most important time frames of our life in the world of investing. Ready? Here we go. Check this out. This is the 8 most important time frames in our investing journey. All right, and I kind of gonna zoom in a little bit more. Make sure you can see really close up. All right, it's somewhere around like this, and look right at the top here. We're gonna go through each one of them one by one, and as I kind of review these 8 time frames with you begin to understand, wow, why did you in the past make certain decisions and of which you didn't consider time frame, and kind of you feel rushed into it, or you feel very late into it, or you feel FOMO about it. There are kind of different emotions, kind of right smack, left, right, center, hitting you at the front. Why? Because if you never kind of be fixated with the time frame that you want to invest in, you got kind of drag along, toss around, and that's the moment in time you become very what we call wishy-washy. Okay? So that is the context.